Okay, this is kind of how I would have done it. I'll probably make a mistake along the way, but that's fine because it will illustrate a point. I would have my random between 0 and 2 seconds. I would suggest that I'm going to put that in there, and for the moment I'm not going to use show and hide, just to illustrate a point. So the car starts, it goes all the way across to the end here, where when it gets to the end it jumps back, and then it waited with its little nose there. So in fact, actually, perhaps what we want to do is just put a hide in there so its nose doesn't appear. Watch what the problem is. So we go across, and the car hits the end. The nose was hidden there, but you see what the problem was? The car's gone completely. And the reason for that is kind of twofold. One, if I press green now, there's no car. I want to make sure that when I start, the car is showing. I was also very naive in putting the hide after the wait. I wanted to put the hide in. Actually, I'll do it like that again. You see now when the car is there, what will happen now is that the car will jump back over here, and there's a wait before it hit itself, because in fact actually I should hide it before the wait. But of course I now have a problem. The car is still there at the beginning. And to illustrate the bicycle, going over this a few too many times really. Now disappears, it's not appearing, and it's still not appearing, and it must be more than 2 seconds by now, and that's because, look at this, make common sense that it's saying, if I am bigger than this, then go back to here, hide me, wait, and I come out of this if, and there's no instruction to show. So in fact, what I wanted was something like this, or maybe that show, oops, could have been before the move 2 steps, and then put that in there. And now what I have is I will have a car that will hide. When it gets to the end there, will hide, it's picked around, and then it shows itself again. Okay, and the amount of time that it waits at this end will vary. It was pretty much a 1.5 second last time, and you knew it's going to be at 1.5 seconds this time. Always the way it's going to be. I was hoping one of them might be a little bit quicker to prove a point that there we go, that was much quicker. Whew, rescued myself. So the car will regurgitate, reappear, that's the better word, a little bit of a random time there. So that's the solution to that one.